going on, you guys? It's your favorite pastor, Pastor Gaines Ramey here, followed by Mrs. Gaines.
Hello.
And
Tired as hell.
we just did legs today. Tilt that shit like always. So just now leaving the gym, as you can see, and whew, tired. See, this is what happens when it's leg day, when you walk all the way from here to your car's over here.
Because the gym wanted to be full when we first came in.
The struggle is real. The struggle is real right now. Look at legs. The struggle is real right now. Alright guys, going to this little Honda Accord right here. Woo. Open door. What's up, Chucky?
True classic. Never goes out of style. I'll be back. I always come back. You know who I am. And if you know what's good for you, you are going to love, honor, and obey.
Hey, Chucky, hold that. Hold my gym back for a minute.
You talking about me? You got a cookie here in here?
That was Jeff. Jeff, my manager, gave me that. Alright, guys. That's it. That's it. Alright. Alright, guys. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. Well, y'all gonna enjoy it because y'all haven't seen it yet. The PRs that me and Mrs. Gaines did today on squats. So, check those out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for checking out my channel. I got a couple new subscribers on here, so welcome to Pastor Gaines Ramey's channel. My goal is to motivate and get everybody off that couch and get in the gym. That's my goal. And as a future personal trainer, which I'm still in training. So let me know in the comments below. Well, first of all, in the description below, I'm gonna post my workout. So if y'all want to follow my routine with legs, because I didn't post everything with legs, I'm just gonna put the PR one. So in the description box below, it's my complete workout. If you want to give it a try, try it. But let me know in the description box, in the comments below, which ones do y'all want to see next? Do you want to see me and Mrs. Gaines do bench press, or y'all want to see the deadlifts, or any kind of exercise in particular? It don't have to be in that order. It can be anything. I'm thinking about posting a mobility video soon for squats and deadlifts, and then I do one for upper body. So let me know if y'all want to see a mobility video, you know, show my my mobility, and make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. We finna get something to eat because we are hungry.
It's
so thank y'all for watching. As you already know, I am the pastor. The gym is my church. All sins will be forgiven for Kenyan workout. And check this out. Check this out. You can tell that I'm the pastor. Look, you got the gym here and a church here. I am the pastor. I am Pastor Gaines. See, Pastor Gaines. Pastor Gaines. Anyway, check out those squats video. Check out our PRs. Click like, subscribe, all that other stuff. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in that next episode. Deuces.